Okay, so the car's come in, it's been inspected. We've recommended some works, it's going to be carried out. And what the seller also wants to do, which we've advised, is a full ice blast. So I'm currently just stripping down every single piece of plastic possible, so that the ice blaster has the best chance of doing a top-notch job and bringing it back to life completely. Because obviously it's never come off before, and you always doubt yourself, like you've forgotten a nut or a bolt, but it's going to require some more persuasion, I think. Let's have a look at the last piece of the puzzle now. That should fall off. Oh yeah. So part of the work in here as well is that there's a bit of an oil leak, which is most likely going to be the rear main seal. And this cam cover this side here, and we've got some seals and some gaskets and whatnot to do. So we'll do that.
Crap.
Automotive archaeology, right here.
Oh, that is quite nice. Yeah.
George. Tell the camera. George, I'm taking the bumper off. Camera. To the camera? You are the camera. You are one with the camera.
Right, I think we're funny giveaway.
I'm taking off the bumper.
My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. Want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire.
Ready to go? Cool. I actually made a mix. I'm really boring. Are we talking? Right. Okay, hi, my name's Zach. I carried out the works on the 996 Clubsport here. So it's all finished, we've been on a road test, all is well. Hey? It's a 993. Hi, my name's Zach. I carried out the work on the 993 Clubsport here. This is the second take, as I called it a 996, which is that one over there. I'll go again. Hi, my name's Zach. I carried out the work here on the 993 Clubsport. Prior to it going on sale, we dropped the entire drivetrain out, and we changed. Hi, my name's Zach. I carried out the work here on our 993 RS Clubsport. We're just having a look underneath the car now, just after its road test, after the work's been carried out. I'm going to run you through what we did to bring it up to speed. So we dropped the entire drivetrain out. It's just easier that way on a 993 for a full service. So plugs, fluids, filters, everything was renewed. Whilst it was out, we've changed any and all fasteners on the exhaust system that needed changing to access the cam covers. They were leaking a little bit, so we changed them out. And on the gearbox, the front seal was also weeping a little bit. It's normal stuff, it's 30 years old. What I also took out was all the guards and the arches and the front subframe as well, so that the car could be professionally ice blasted. It had a full set of brake pads and discs, any and all fasteners for the shoes as well, to make them work effectively. So yeah, the work's complete, we're happy. It's ready to be cleaned and go up to be filmed. We're going to take it up to Langana de Moors. Luckily it's around the corner from us. And then it'll be up for sale ready on Lowe Classics shortly.